Hello children, today is a very special day of my life. It's my birthday and I got a nice dress from my parent. He gifted me this nice dress. See, such a nice embroidery. But I am thinking, the material of the cloth came from where? You must have also touched your dress and you can think, what is the material, from where it came? Okay, so clothes are very basic thing required by us for day-to-day life. Touch the material of a bed sheet or curtain, even the sofa upholstery, etc. Your school dress, socks, tie, isn't? So you will see some dresses are very soft and smooth and some are coarse or rough. If you will see the duster, etc. Okay, from which we are wiping the table. So they are coarse, rough. So they are different. If you will see the silk sari of your mother, it is too soft and smooth. So they have different texture. So from where all these are coming, that we will see in the third chapter of class 6, that is fiber to fabric. Why do we need clothing? There are three basic needs of our life. First is food, second is clothing, and third is shelter. So roti, kapda and makan. This is the three basic need of our life, and life is impossible without these. We need clothes because we don't have fur, thick skin or feather like animals and birds, isn't? So we wear clothes because it protects us from extreme weather condition. What are the extreme weather condition? Like hot, cold, rain, etc. Now rainy season is approaching, so we are wearing raincoat to protect us. Okay, it protects us from insects, bacteria, dirt and injury also. It maintains our body heat. In summer season we wear cotton clothes to make us comfortable. In winter season we wear woolen clothes so that we are protecting our body from outside cold environment. It develops our personality also when we are wearing new smart clothes. So we feel confident, we feel very energetic and makes us civilized. Now we will proceed to next part of the chapter, that is history of clothing. Okay, so we'll start the history of clothing from primitive age when the people were staying in caves to protect themselves from harsh condition of the weather. Okay, so primitive age में कैसा था weather? बहुत harsh था, लोग खुले में रहते थे, तो वो खुद को protect करने के लिए caves में रहते थे. Clear? जब बारिश हो रही है, बहुत ठंड है, बहुत गर्मी है, so they were using grass, leaves and barks of the tree to protect themselves. Clear? घास, पत्ते, bark of the tree, they were using that one to protect themselves, and they lit fire to make themselves warm. इन द केव व्हेन दे वर स्टेइंग, जब वो केव्स में गुफा में रहते थे तो फायर जला के वो खुद को प्रोटेक्ट करते थे. अब हम आगे बढ़ेंगे स्टोन एज. इन स्टोन एज which were around 30,000 years ago. Okay, so people started hunting, शिकार करना उन्होंने शुरू किया, and they started using animal skin for their clothing. Clear? So stone age, primitive age में grass, leaves, bark of the tree. But stone age आते आते 30,000 years ago they started using animal skin also as a clothing. फिर धीरे धीरे वो एक जगह सेटल होना शुरू किए and they started farming, communities में रहना शुरू किए. तो they got time. ऐसा नहीं कि हमेशा उनको खुद को ही प्रोटेक्ट करना था. अब वो कम्युनिटी में रहने लगे, कुछ एग्रीकल्चर कर रहे थे, कुछ के पास स्पेयर टाइम था, तो दे स्टार्टेड वीविंग ग्रास एंड ट्विग्स इनटू मैट्स. धीरे धीरे वो क्या करने लगे? वीव करना शुरू कर दिए. ठीक है, ग्रास और ट्विग्स ऑफ द ट्रीज, और उससे वो मैट्स बनाना शुरू कर दिए. समझ आ रहा है? ओके, नाउ they started domesticating animals also for agriculture purpose. तो उनका hair, उनका fur they started using for fabric. वो उसको भी twigs को twist करना शुरू किया और उससे वो fabric बनाना शुरू किए. Clear है? So they started domesticating sheep, okay, for fur, for hair, and they started using that as a fabric. In 5000 years ago, along the bank of river Ganga, they started cultivating flax and cotton plant, or they started using the fiber of that plant for clothing purpose. In the same time, in Egypt, they also started cultivating these plants near the bank of Nile river. Okay, so by the time swing were not possible, so they were using long piece of cloth and they were wrapping around their body. So still that custom is continued, like we are using dhoti, lungi, sari, okay, turban, etc. So these are the long unstitched piece and we are wrapping it around our body. Now with the invention of swing needle, people started making clothes. Okay, they were now able to sew the cloth and they were using the swing needle to make appropriate cloth for themselves. Around 20th century or in 20th century, shirt and pant came into existence. Our Indians started using that one. Okay, so that is the journey of the clothing. I hope you have understood.